made cricket a cash-rich game from its Victorian identity of the gentleman's game is the T20 format of the game, and India was its initiator. The IPL, organized by the BCCI, started in 2008. The IPL was a brainchild of the Indian businessman Lalit Modi. Based on a very diverse business model and garnering increasing fan popularity, the IPL brought a paradigm shift in the way cricket is played internationally and became a brand in world sport. So let's break down their success piece by piece. Number 1. The bidding process. It starts with tenders inviting bids. Potential businessmen and high net worth individuals bid for franchises. They put in a lot of money and purchase a team in the IPL. There onwards, the bidding for cricketers starts. The auction places a minimum cap value on every player, and that's how they're traded. Well, cricketers have become millionaires overnight thanks to the IPL. That's how the players earn money. But then, how do the franchises earn money? So, number 2, team sponsors. Team sponsors pay 15 to 20 crores for logo on the front of the jersey, 5 to 7 crores behind the jersey, 2.5 to 3 crores on the sides of the jersey, and 1.5 to 2 crores on the helmets. And you would say that's just for the logo? Well, no. The franchise can use its team and its players for advertisements and promotions of the sponsor company without making additional payments to the players. So, the money that a company would pay to a cricketer for making its advertisement effectively goes to the franchise. Hence, the sponsor company gets its advertisement done from these famous cricketers and also has massive brand visibility in the same amount of money. That's how the sponsors profit. The franchises also earn revenue from gate money, merchandise, tickets, and media rights. They also have a share in BCCI's profits. But then, how does the BCCI make money? Simple. Number 3. The BCCI earns money when businessmen purchase these franchises and also from broadcasting rights. Initially, the IPL's broadcasting rights were given to Sony Pictures and World Sports Group for a contract of 10 years valued at $1.03 billion. The IPL soon became a massive television property and Sony became the most watched channel during the tournament time in India. For seasons after 2018, the global broadcasting rights were given to Star India for a contract of 5 years valued at $2.55 billion. That is a 158% increase from previous contract and the most expensive broadcasting deal in cricket history. But the most important source of revenue to the BCCI is not the broadcasting rights. It is the title sponsor. DLF was the title sponsor of the IPL from 2008 to 12 for 200 crore rupees. Then followed Pepsi from 2013 to 15 for 237.6 crore rupees. And today, the title sponsor for IPL is Vivo for a contract of 5 years valued at 2,200 crore rupees. That is 440 crore rupees for 1 year, more than all the previous year's contracts combined. So in the end, everybody wins. But then, why is it worth putting so much of money in this IPL? It's the love and passion for the game from this cricket-loving nation, which follows cricket like a religion. As Ashish Nandy rightly said, that cricket is an Indian game accidentally discovered by the British. And because of this love for cricket, the IPL's brand value today is 47,500 crore rupees. Thank you.